This Metra car stereo installation kit makes it straightforward to upgrade older General Motors trucks and sport utility vehicles to a modern double-din head unit without awkward gaps or odd trim lines. The large replacement dash panel is shaped to match the factory contours closely, so the finished install looks like it came from the manufacturer rather than a do-it-yourself project. Its design follows the standard ISO double-din layout, which means most mainstream aftermarket stereos slide in securely without the need for cutting or modifying the dash. The matte black finish is resistant to scratches and blends well with typical General Motors interiors, avoiding the shiny plastic look that often gives away an aftermarket kit. The included wiring harness is tailored to these vehicles and even supports factory-amplified systems when used with the correct connector, which simplifies the electrical side of the job. Overall, fitment is precise enough that you can usually avoid custom fabrication, saving a lot of installation time while still ending up with a sturdy, factory-like result.